Jelly, there's mountain lions here.
What?
There's mountain lions here.
Look, these are some animals.
Let's go. I just don't want to go.
I know. We're still wearing just a hat.
I do not want to see mountain lions. If I do, I will scream.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
You know, last night I can't sleep because of this girl
What?
touching my mouth.
I wasn't even sleeping next to you.
Because
Mom.
breath stink.
That's scary.
We're at the falls, guys. Look at that.
The falls.
Turtles, mountain lions, bats, badgers. So, if you see here, you will, I don't know, everything will go fine. How deep, how deep is the water? No, it's just deep. I mean, the pictures on Instagram.
Oh, okay. Everything? Hey, you could actually see it in the video. Gosh, look at that. What?
Can I take a picture of this? Man, this is beautiful. Let's go.
Oh, what else is there?
Falls roof. You know that, mate. I'm spider left and hyena. We have spotted some donkeys. They're right over there. Please take a look. Please look them. These are some donkeys. We can't get too close or else they'll bite.
What was that?
I'm kind of scared now. I don't want to see any mountain lions.
Dude,
Oh my god, something.
I thought my shadow was something.
I know. Here, let's go.
You go.
You and me. I don't want to spot any mountain lions. Wait, let's do this.
What do you say? I have to videos with that.
Limit. Please show. Okay, 200. Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought it was a warning.
Yeah, me too. But it's for people who can't touch. I seriously don't want to look at.
Where's Justin and Aya?
They're over there. They're right there. So they're fine. They're right there. The donkeys are coming our
Oh
way.
my gosh, you scared me.
Wait, no filming. Too close to them.
Wait, why did you
You
come
don't
back?
want them to bite. You gotta stay real still and real quiet, please.
They're coming close to us.
Oh no, the donkeys are coming close. If we don't make this live,
One
make
is
this
red
one.
and orange.
Donkeys, we came no harm. We came with no harm. We saw another turtle. We have to go back because you guys are too slow. Please. Let them pass. We're trying not to cause any harm, donkeys. You're a donkey.
Excuse me.
Mate, we have just talked to some donkeys, some wild donkeys, mate. We have spotted some laughing hyenas. Hi! Excuse me. We're vlogging, and I have this camera to take pics. And you want me to take a pic of you? Say cheese. Nice picture.
Dude, you should really take a picture.
I did.
Oh.
They did.
For real?
They did take a picture of them.